Get out of your comfort zone. Get the chance to explore the innovative equipment Oki Pro 1050 label printer. This printer has 5 LED print engines and has a dry toner technology with the unique CMYK white option. Perfect for your short and medium runs label production. It is easy to use and operate and can be produced roll to sheet or roll to roll for your production lines, either on full continuous or pre-cut label rolls. Oki Pro 1050 has the best option to print precisely on pre-cut labels or continuous rolls. When printing on continuous rolls, Graphtec DLC 1000 label finisher can die cut any shape based on your needs digitally. Plus, it has all the needed functions in one system, such as laminating, die cutting, matrix removal, and slitting, rewinding and cross-cutting. So, what are you waiting for? Focus on the quality, short runs, personalization, and provide the best digital label printing and finishing for your products. Rest assured that this solution will be your new partner to target a new wide range of customers to satisfy your current and future needs. To know more about full digital label printing and finishing solutions, visit www.labelgraff.com. Like and subscribe to our YouTube channel.